Now I can see how this might make you a challenge. Hello, everybody. Well, Rabbit, ready for check-in? Sorry, Turtle. I'm afraid you're too late. If we start our game now, I won't have time later to, peel my potatoes or can my tomatoes. And I have to stay on schedule. Come on.
Ball mo.
Rabbit. Tomorrow, our game will start on time. I promise. Well,
Turtle will keep his promise, Rabbit. The superfood will help him.
you will? Well, all right. I'll give you another chance, Turtle.
Look mo na dito, look dito. Look mo na dito. Daryl,
Daryl, look at dito.
anong sabi ng chicken? Paano beautiful eyes? Look mo na dito, paano beautiful eyes?
Daryl, Daryl, look at dito.
Paano beautiful eyes? Beautiful eyes.
Daryl, Daryl, look at dito.
Yeah, Turtle.
Oo no. Paano killer eye? Daryl,
Kilaray mo si Mami, dali.
Daryl.
Daryl, kilaray mo si Mami.
Superfood?
Ano yan? Ano yan?
You know, we must have done that a Brazilian times, but I never... I have to keep my promise to Rabbit.